Right, in the past I've said about having a Facebook page and posting VivaMK products, stories, anything connected with VivaMK, and on your timeline as well. Do the occasional VivaMK, and if Michael Cathcart or anyone at HQ sees it, they will share it on their official Facebook page. I'm going to show you how that looks. So I'm just going to type in VivaMK. So if somebody's searching for VivaMK, the top one that comes up is VivaMK Network Limited. So if people are searching, then more than likely click on that one, and that goes to the official VivaMK Network Facebook page, and that's the one that Mike Cathcart runs. There are other ones that are shown there, but the main thing you'll get is people will always click on the one at the top. So if they click on there, that goes direct to the HQ official site, and you see there's already 1,500 followers. I suppose most of those are going to be VivaMK people, but there will be other people who see it as well, because as I've shown, it's right at the top. And if you scroll down on there, you'll see other distributors, adverts and posts. There's one from Nicky James and Mr. and Mrs. Enthusiastic, and that's Michael himself, the Enthusiastics again, and that one's Yvonne Meisel, and that's HQ, and there's one from Helen. I'll say that is on there because Helen posted it on her timeline. And let's just show some others. So as you can see, Michael or HQ share any post they like, any post that they see on other distributors' sites, pages, open groups and timeline. And so it's really worth putting the posts out there because they'll share it on their site. And as you can see, the Enthusiastics, they post virtually every day, and they're doing posts about products, they're doing their demos, and every time those are picked up by HQ, they're sharing them on here. So there's more chance of other people seeing your posts once they've been shared. And if your post does get shared, then Facebook look at that post more favourably than posts that don't get shared. So remember, always put a hashtag in there, VivaMK, VivaMK Network, and then that helps to get picked up as well. So I hope that helps and gives you a reason why you should be posting regularly on your timeline and on ideally a Facebook page with VivaMK adverts, promotions, and you'll get seen more by doing that. Okay, hope that helps. Bye now.